That's the sound of Lizzo's flute performance during her interview with Zane Lowe on Apple Music. It was part of a conversation around her fourth studio album, Special. How it was her classic album, her album of loving herself in the present. During the interview, she mentioned that one of the songs was written right before the album's release. A song made just to give the project some missing positivity. This is About Damn Time, the first single from Special, and the first song to hit Billboard #1 with Damn in the title. I wanted to take a closer look at its disco, pop, funk production by Ricky Reed, Blake Slatkin, and Terrence Martin, and remake the sound in a remix of another Lizzo song. So let me show you what I did as we listen to Lizzo's About Damn Time.
Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright.
Here in the opening of About Damn Time, the most obvious sound has got to be his guitar. The electric guitar here seems to be strumming some short A-sharp minor chords on the offbeats, with a few C-sharp major chords at the end, and some percussive hits in between everything to keep it all moving. Alongside this guitar seems to be a piano, holding an A-sharp minor chord in the mid-range, which matches the guitar chords, and a very low D-sharp. I went looking through Lizzo's discography for some similar guitars, and while I couldn't find any in this album, I had better luck looking at her last project. This is Juice, one of the hit singles off of Lizzo's third studio album, 'Cause I Love You, and it also opens with some disco-inspired guitars. Compared to About Damn Time, you have more chords here, 5 instead of 2, and each chord seems to be more complex. But the sound of the electric guitar is still similar, and both seem to have some sort of rhythm. Here it's the delay added to the chords, playing a similar role to that constant strumming in About Damn Time. Back in About Damn Time, after this intro comes verse 1, where the piano and bass drop out, putting more emphasis on the drums.
It's bad bitch o'clock, yeah, it's thick 30. I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirty.
Here in the verse, the drums seem to be put together from a collection of tight samples. About Damn Time is a pretty slow track at 109 beats per minute, which you can hear in the kick drum, but I don't think it feels that slow, and if I had to guess, it's because of the shaker in the 16th notes, and a snare on beats 2 and 4. The drums in About Damn Time sound an awful lot like those in the other single from this album.
I did the work, it didn't work. That truth, it hurts. That damn, it hurts.
This is the verse of To Be Loved, the second single from Special, produced by Max Martin and Ilya. And the drums here seem to have that same pop layout. While this track is a bit faster than About Damn Time at 156 beats per minute, I think it feels even slower. The snares and kick between the two are similar, but the hi-hat here seems to hit every beat, about half the speed of the shaker in About Damn Time. Back in About Damn Time, we get to the second half of the verse, separated by a bass.
Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you're healing. 'Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now?
There seems to be a bass guitar here, keeping the rhythm by playing D sharp on every beat. As far as I can tell, the D sharp here doesn't really line up with anything. It's not in an A sharp minor chord, which is what the guitar plays. It is in the song's key of B flat minor, but it's not the root. Maybe that gives this part a feeling of suspense, as we keep wanting it to hit a more satisfying note. I went looking through Lizzo's discography and found a bass with a similar sound and set of accents. This is Everybody's Gay, off of Special, produced by Pop Wainsel, Ian Kirkpatrick, Ricky Reed and Nate Mercereau. The bass here is a bit spacier, leaving a lot of room in between notes. While this bass has a similar timbre to About Damn Time, it hardly plays anything on the beat, instead more closely matching those runs we saw at the ends of the phrases. I think we've got a good overview of what's going on in About Damn Time, now that we've covered the guitar, piano, drums, and bass. We can see how they all come together if we jump forward to the chorus. To summarize these ideas we heard in Lizzo's About Damn Time and put them to use, I remixed another track off of this album to give it a similarly funky instrumental. This is Girls and has maybe the most hip-hop styled beat on Special, making it the perfect candidate for a new disco sound. After grabbing the acapella and laying down the various parts, I opened this remix with a relatively fleshed out instrumental. Like About Damn Time, this opening has just about every instrument that'll show up in the chorus. For now, let's look at just the guitar. This is the guitar from Juice, put onto an A minor chord, at the end switching to A sharp major. I found a chord layout with a good rhythm, and then threw in some rhythmic hits in between. Alongside the guitar in this opening, there's also a piano. This is the piano from About Damn Time, laid out in an almost identical pattern, matching the guitar chord with 3 notes on top and 1 on the very bottom. After this intro comes the opening verse.
Hold my bag, bitch. Hold my bag. Do you see this shit? I'm a spaz. I'm about to...
This verse has the same layout as About Damn Time, bringing in the vocals and dropping the bass to put more emphasis on the drums. These are the samples from To Be Loved, with the hi-hat updated to now play on 16th notes. It matches the shaker in About Damn Time to keep the energy up.
Hold my bag. Do you see this shit?
Next comes the second half of the verse.
To knock somebody out, yo, with my best friend. She the only one I know to talk me off the deep end.
The verse here is split into 2 parts, like in About Damn Time, separated by the presence of a bass guitar. This is the bass guitar from Everybody's Gay, and here I tried to keep it off of the root note like it seemed to be in About Damn Time. The bass here plays F, and I was going for more of a C major key, but I think the song morphed itself back into F major. I think everything still sounds okay, it just doesn't quite as literally follow About Damn Time.
Somebody out, yo, with my best friend. She the only one I know to talk me off the deep.
Finally, we get to the chorus.
Where my girls at? Ooh, ooh. Where my girls at? Ooh, ooh. Yeah,
That wraps up this remix of Lizzo's Girls, using the ideas from About Damn Time. I wish it had a better guitar sound, and Girls was a little bit fast. I had to slow it down from 156 to 122 beats per minute, but overall I think it captures the upbeat funk sound. Hopefully you can use these ideas in your own music, or just listen to this track a little differently. Thanks for listening. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of Lizzo's About Damn Time. Don't forget to subscribe to Sound Selection on YouTube, check out the podcast, and follow on Instagram.